Okay, I'm done with the Oracle XC112.
Is it downloaded?
Are you there? Yeah, downloaded the Oracle XC112. That one, let me unzip that one.
Yeah, unzip and click on that disk. I mean, setup button. There is a button called set. I mean, there is an icon called setup. Just click on that so that it will start doing installation. At one time, it will ask. At one place, it will ask for the password. Just give the password twice, the same password twice, and remember that password as well.
Okay, setup. I have to click on that setup, and it will ask for a password, right?
After 3 to 4 steps, it asks for the password. Click on setup and click on next button.
Okay.
Yeah, Prasad, yours is done, I think so.
Yeah.
So can you go to the command line once?
Okay.
And start typing SQL plus.
Here.
Yeah, command. Go to command line first. CMD. SQL plus. System is the username. System.
Okay.
Password. The password that you gave at the time of installation of Oracle.
Is it wrong? The password is wrong. That means.
If the password is wrong, then it will say password wrong error. Destination host unreachable. Can you try again? System.
Same for Sujindra. Sujindra, for you also same.
No, it's
For me, I am building the Oracle actually.
no. I think it's taking time for that server hosting and all. Let's wait.
Oh, maybe I have to restart or something like that.
Yeah, I think so. Let's wait for some time. Mostly it doesn't require. Let's see.
Okay.
Okay, password. I have to ask for a password. I have to remember that. Okay, right?
Simple password only. Just give some apple, mango, orange, or something like manager.
Okay. 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 After that install, right?
Yes. I send one more software. Just download it. SQL Tools. Just unzip this folder also. Yeah, can you open that SQL tools, the unzipped one?
We can go for simultaneous installation of that one, right?
Yes.
Or SQL tools.
Dot installation. The last icon, SQL tools icon, no? Double click on it.
Okay.
Double click on it, just double click on it.
Yeah, I did it. Run. It says the program can't start because OCL.dls is missing from a computer. I'm getting that error.
Okay, let me give another software to interact with Oracle.
So this one should click yes and run it, Mahesh.
Which one? Are you getting an error?
Yeah, if you see my screen, right?
Yes, click on yes, but it's not working, no? Click on yes. No, it's not working. Oh, is it working? Perfect. Oh,
Is it working?
give some password.
So is it the old password I have to give?
No, just give 1234 or something like that. Simple password. Or else, yeah. Now there's a, yeah, here you need to give tag name as Oracle, something like that. Tag name as Oracle. Username as system. Password, the password that you gave at the time of installation, Oracle installation. Select that option called bypass. No, not that one. The next one, next option. Yeah, click on that and select that. Yeah, host name, local host.
I have to type it.
Yeah, local, no space. Yeah, local host. And select that option called use service instead of SID. The next option, the next option.
Okay.
And in the SID place, give SE. XE, X for
Self and small.
Xerox, E for elephant. XE, yes. Click on test button now. Yeah, yes. Connect.
Connector.
Yeah, connect button. Now go to view, file, edit view, object list. Yes, object list.
Okay.
Drag and drop to the leftmost side and double click. Drag this to the left side, leftmost
Okay.
corner, the complete box, yes. And double click on it. Double click on the header. No,
Okay.
yeah,
Is it correct?
yeah, that's it. So here you can see the tables and all. If you see these are the
Okay.
tables available in your machine. You can start typing select star from so and so table and all.
Okay. So these are all the tables, default tables. Huh?
Yeah, these are the default tables. Sujender, the Oracle is okay, still installing, right?
Yeah, Oracle, I'm in the configuring database page actually.
Okay, that will take time. Okay. So meanwhile, it is extracted. No, the TOS bit is extracted, right? Can you please go to that folder, Prasad? You put that in a D drive or somewhere, right? D drive talent.
Hello, Mahesh.
Yeah, yeah. Can you please go to the D drive where you extracted the talent?
Which one? Okay.
The TOS BD or something is there, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, D drive, not here. You just put that in a D drive, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Can you go down?
Huh?
Yeah, yeah. There are three icons with some pen symbol, green colored icons, right?
Yeah.
Click on that 64 or 86 one. 64 or 86 one.
Okay.
Double click
This
on it.
one?
Yeah, double click on it.
Okay.
Say accept. Yeah, click on a create button.
Okay, I'm done with the Talend, the TOS BD software
Extract.
downloading that one. Yeah, I'll go for
Just
extraction.
extract it. Yeah, just extract it. You can give some name here. Any name. Any name. Your project name or something. Anything is fine. Yeah. Say finish. Now select that and say open. Open. Click on open button. Yeah, it is installed. Talent is installed. The Talent is ready in your machine now. So you can skip it. You can skip this. No, not required. It's not mandatory. So first time when you open Talent, you'll ask for download some jars and something like that. There will be like pop-ups will come for a few days. So whenever the pop-up is coming, you just click on that accept all, install. Always do that. Do the same. Like accept all, uninstall. Accept all and install. Do the same for all the time. So you can take icon backup to the desktop, something like that. Just go to the D drive folder and take that icon as a shortcut to the desktop.
So that 6484 icon?
Yeah, 64 icon, you just take it as a shortcut to the desktop so that it will not be you won't forget.
Okay.
Can you open that directly from the website? I mean,